Okay, hi everyone. So tonight we're feeling a bit cold, so we're gonna make some salt cheese crackers biscuit cake. So this is a recipe for a no-bake cheesecake. So the ingredients that you'll need are these 2 packets of this salt cheese crackers biscuit. But if you can't find the salt cheese crackers biscuit, you can use any sort of cheese biscuits that you can find in the supermarket. So this is about 7 ounce of cheese biscuits each. So I'll need 2 packets of this. And here we have 8 ounce of cream cheese. This is the American Heritage cream cheese. I'm using this because I like the flavor of it, of being it's smooth and creamy, and it's quite rich as well. So I'll need 2 blocks of this, which is equivalent to 16 ounce of cream cheese. And here we have a lemon, and we'll only need about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And here we have some sweetened creamer, or you can use condensed milk, this whole can, but I'll be only using about 6 to 8 tablespoons of it. And here we have some full cream milk. You need to warm it in the microwave oven for about 30 seconds, just warm enough to soak these cheese biscuits to be layered into the container later on. Right, so shall we get to the mixing of cream cheese, condensed milk and lemon? Alright, so here we have our 2 blocks of cream cheese and our condensed milk, and also can you see this watery thing here? So this is the lemon juice that has been squeezed. So that I have squeezed about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So now we have to use a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer as well, to blend it and mix it all well. Right, so here I'm using a hand mixer. So make sure that the cream cheese are in room temperature before you start mixing all of these ingredients. So you should see that it's soft enough to be poked by the hand mixer. Right, so what you need to do is you just have to use the lowest speed you can on your hand mixer to mix this all up, right? Right, so now as you can see, they are mixed well, but the sides here you need to clean them, right? Put them all back into the bowl, in the center of the bowl, because you wouldn't want to waste any bits of this cream cheese with condensed milk and lemon juice mixture. Right, so now we have all put it in there. So we just have to mix it one more time for about 1 more minute. Right, so now you can see this is the texture that we want in our cream cheese and condensed milk and lemon juice mixture. So it's smooth and silky, and you can see you can even form peaks on it, so it's like a meringue. Alright, so now let's get to the soaking of the biscuit and layering of it. Right, so now here's our warm milk, and this is our salt cheese biscuit. So what we'll do is we'll just take out some of them, dip them one by one in the warm milk, just until they are slightly softened, not that they are too soft. Alright, and we just layer them here. Right, we'll continue with a few more pieces of it until we finish the first layer, the ground layer here. Then we'll put on this layer of cream cheese on top of them. So as we can see, our first layer of biscuit is done. So never mind, there's a little space by the side here, because we'll fill it up with the cream cheese layer later on. So we'll just have to scoop in the cream cheese and start layering them. We'll just flatten it all. Make sure that each of the biscuit is covered with the cream cheese. Right, so we'll repeat this step by, after we finish putting this cream cheese layer, we'll put on another layer of these cheese biscuits here. We dip and layer them on top until we finish all of these cheese biscuits. Alright, so as you can see, these are our salt cheese biscuits and our cream cheese layer that we have already finished with the layering and beautifying and all. So what we have to do now is to keep it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight until they are properly hardened. Right, so let's see the results 6 hours later on. Okay, so this is the salt cheese layered cheesecake that we have made last night, and I've kept it overnight in the fridge, and you can see here the layers. Right, so once you cut them out, this is how they look like. You can see clearly there's the salt cheese cracker, there's the cream cheese layer. So that is how your salt cheesecake should look like.